मेरे तो चले से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ स्टॉक न्यूज़ के बारे में आप लोगों से डिस्कस करेंगे। स्टॉक इन न्यूज़ आईटीसी, वेदांत, पेटीएम, स्विगी, एक्सो नोबेल, टाटा मोटर्स के बारे में आप लोगों से डिस्कस करेंगे। इन टुडे ट्रेड शेयर्स ऑफ ITC, वेदांत, पेटीएम, स्विगी, Akzo Nobel, Tata Motors, and among others will be in focus due to the various news development. Our market saw high volatility but gain over half a percent as the investor optimism the return with the Nifty index the nearing a critical 25,350 level. Several companies and including the ITC, Vedanta and Tata Motors area and focus due to the Q3 result and others corporate developments. And the market trades with the highs of volatility for yet another session and the gain of over the half a percent as the investor optimism the return. The Nifty index has settled at the critical juncture around the 25,350 level at a decisive breakout could help extend the rebound toward the 25,600 zone, say analysis. In today trade, shares of ITC, Vedanta, Paytm, Swiggy, Akzo Nobel, Tata Motors, among others, will be in the focus due to the various news development. ITC, Vedanta, Adani Power, Tata Motors, Paytm, Swiggy, Canara Bank, Dabur, NTPC Green. Shares of the ITC, Vedanta, Adani Power, Tata Motors, Paytm, Swiggy, Canara Bank, Dabur, and NTPC Green will be in focus as the companies will announced their third quarter result today. Cochin Shipyard State-run the Cochin Shipyard reported an 18% decline. It is the December quarter consolidated net profit at Rs 145 crore versus Rs 170 crore posted in the year ago period. Revenue from the operation also rose 18% to Rs 1,350 crore in Q3 financial year 2026 compared to Rs 1,148 crore in the corresponding quarter of the last financial year. GRSE, state-owned and defense shipbuilder Garden Ridge Shipbuilders and Engineering reported a strong performance for the December quarter with sharp growth in the both profit and the revenue, supported by the higher execution and the improved operating leverage. The company net profit for the third quarter ended December 2025 rose to Rs 171 crore compared with Rs 98 crore in the same quarter last year. L&T L&T Engineering and the construction major Larsen Turbo reported a 4.3% decline in the December quarter and consolidated net profit at 3,215 crore compared to those 3,359 crore reported in the year ago period. The profit after tax PAT is attributed to the owner of the parent.